Hello Remy, it's Zurab here at Voss Motors, taking this video especially for you of the 2014 Harley Sportster. It's XL 1200. This is the mileage in miles and this is the price, 11,788 plus HST and licensing. The motorcycle comes fully certified and is ready to go. I have three of them, as you see. That's a 2015 for 12,488 with a little bit less mileage on it, 2,991 miles. And that's the third one. It's a 2013 with 2,000 miles on it for 11,388 plus HST. This bike has a little upgrades, like all the covers modified. It has the backrest for the passenger. Otherwise they are very similar, 2013, 2014 and 2015. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.